this Sunday before it gets too hot. We want to turn now to our storm track weather forecast. And Olivia, in case folks are maybe out there on Scenic Drive, maybe heading to, or planning rather, to head out, better do it early. That's right.
That's right. You know, the early morning hours are going to be the nicest, and that's going to be the case over the next few days while we are under this first alert for this heat. Right now, the current temperature is almost 80 degrees, but still nice outside if you're heading out to your nice Father's Day brunch for today. Have any plans to get outside? Early morning hours would be your best bet to do that. 72 degrees if you're out in Las Cruces would be your current temperature. 75 out in Deming if you're out there. If you're out in Ruidoso, 66 degrees, a little cooler. And if you are out in Van Horn, it is 72 degrees today. You can see here mostly clear skies, and we are going to continue with those dry conditions as we head through the remainder of your weekend here. And just taking a look back at June again, you could see we saw some pretty hot temperatures. We reached up to 107 for Saturday, 105 for Friday, and we have seen a lot of triple digits so far. We did start off seeing, a couple of the 90s, 88 degrees on Monday, the 2nd of June, but it's looking like this heat trend is going to continue, and that's because we have a heat wave that we are in right now, and those temperatures will be pretty hot. Let's take a look at your next 12 hours of temperatures as we're heading out the door, going throughout your day. If you're heading out the door 8 a.m. for today, 83 degrees already will be your current temperature. Already by your lunchtime hours, we are hitting 100 degrees. And again, you can see here breaking the graph. That's how high these temperatures are going to be for today. And we don't stop there. We are reaching our peak temperature of once again 107 degrees for today around 2-3 p.m. And then those temperatures will taper down just a bit, but it's looking like in our evening hours we will still be remaining pretty warm. So if you are outside, make sure to drink lots of water and stay hydrated. Sunblock is never a bad idea either. Forecasted highs for today, again 107, same as yesterday for El Paso, 104 Las Cruces, 104 if you're out in Deming, 91 degrees if you're in Ruidoso, and that's pretty warm if you are in Ruidoso, and 100 degrees if you're out in Van Horn. That'll be your peak temperature of the day. So it's gonna be warm today. Looking ahead at the gusts, we are going to see them picking up a bit as we head into Monday, Tuesday, and as we head into Wednesday. We do see a little bit of a chance for more precipitation throughout the region. Looking ahead here, but for your Father's Day, it's going to be a little breezy today. Moderate breeze, gusts up to around 38 miles per hour coming out of the southeast. That'll be in your afternoon hours for today. Not blowing dust or anything like that to be expected for today. Just those dry conditions in that first alert. With the heat we are experiencing again, that peak temperature for today will be 107 degrees. It's going to be pretty warm for today, and those warm conditions will continue until around mid next week, where we might see a little break in that temperature with some isolated thunderstorms heading our way. But just taking a look here, Sunday 8 a.m. Not much to write home about those clouds here. You're seeing pretty clear conditions. Going into the rest of our day, you're getting to 9 a.m. Those temperatures are picking up, already getting to 90 degrees, 94 degrees by 10 a.m. for your Sunday. So if you're heading out to that nice Sunday brunch, expect clear skies and sunny conditions and warm temperatures. And you're not going to stop there. Getting to the afternoon hours, we're getting up to 99 degrees, 100 degrees, and it's getting pretty warm for us today on Father's Day, but make sure to just stay hydrated. High of today, Sunday 107, 108 Monday, sticking in those hundreds as we go through the rest of our week. And we will be ending next Saturday, partly cloudy skies with that little break possibly in temperature, 100 degrees. For Las Cruces, trending a little cooler as they usually do. 104 degrees Sunday is your peak temperature for your Father's Day. Monday 105, and we will be sticking in those hundreds, it looks like, till we reach Friday, Saturday, ending next Saturday. Sunny skies for Las Cruces at 98 degrees.
Thank you so much.